Welcome back, Minton Motorsports. We are here today, finally, on I think one of the last, if not the last, project for this little restoration job we have going on Lockjaw. I bought a pre-runner bumper hoop kit for my DIY bumper. So basically, this is going to be a DIY pre-runner bumper, even though the bumper's already been built. The bumper that I already built was one I got off of eBay. It was like $275 for the front and rear. All you had to do was like fold all of them up, all the cuts, and then weld them. And it turned out okay. We've yanked on that bumper quite a lot and it hasn't really budged at all. So far so good. But now we're gonna make it into a pre-runner bumper because it's kind of ugly when it just sits out there like an underbite on the front of the Cherokee. So we got this main hoop right here that kind of is going to sit like this. And then we have two tubes coming off the side that's going to sit like that. I'm going to get it all tacked up real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to do some finish welding, some painting, and we're going to put that SOB on. There it is, all tacked up. It's got the big hoop in the middle, a couple side hoops on each side. I think it looks pretty good. Really dresses up that big underbite of a bumper I got. Kind of tilted a little bit forward. I like it. I think maybe down the road I might put a light bar in here, like a little guy. I had some mounts on this bumper that had like maybe a 40-inch, 30-inch double row. And I liked it because it kind of like, when it was foggy out, it was a lot better than having the roof one on. So I think I might get another one, maybe just a little guy though. But yeah, this thing looks sweet. All I gotta do is do some finish welding on it. It's just tacked in place right now. Clean up all the metal, throw some primer and paint on it, put the winch in, put that sucker back on the Jeep, man. There it is. I did not want to spend another, I don't even know what they are now, $400, $500, $600 on this thing. I already had the bumper. Found this little pre-runner hoop kit online for $133 shipped. Thought it was a pretty good deal considering if I would have went to my local metal shop and had them cut it, bend it, notch it, probably would have been a little bit more. Took a while to get, I will say that. Took it like damn near a month to get that hoop kit, but it is what it is. It's on there now. Yeah, the welds aren't the greatest. I'm not a welder, but it's good enough for who it's for. I think it looks 10 times better too. Like from the front, like look at that. That looks freaking cool. Plenty of room for a light bar. My new fair lead, my synthetic rope will look good in there. Yeah, let's get some freaking primer and some paint on this thing now, huh? And there it is. Pre-runner DIY front bumper. I didn't film or do a time lapse of me putting it on. Partly because I forgot, and when I got done I was like, crap, oh well. Everyone's put a bumper on, right? I think it looks great. I think it makes the front of this not look so oblong, you know, sticking out too far. The fair lead looks cool. The rope looks cool. Everything turned out pretty darn good. It sticks out like front, like on an angle a little bit. I wanted that. That looks good. Pretty darn good looking bumper. So I'm happy with it. This thing's pretty much done. Kind of an overview though. Repainted the front bumper, the rear bumper. Did floor pans. Fixed the exhaust. Did a 3-link Rock-Link long arm kit. Front bumper, DIY bumper. Put a new power steering pump in it. Put a new radiator and a new fan in it. Put the headliner in it. A couple new speakers. Swapped some stuff from the other XJ to this XJ. Fenders. New hood. I am thrilled. I know this is still a shit box, but makes me feel a little bit better about it, you know? Oh, I got all matching fenders. Holy smokes. I put this new piece on up here, so that's not all broken. That was from the other XJ. Did a coolant flush, put new coolant in it. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I think the only thing left now to do is for this thing is just test it, go flex it out on some hills, some rocks, see how it rides, see how bad the alignment is, test out my winch cable. Got a couple trees down in the back of my property I need to cut up. I'll probably use that to pull them around. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, click subscribe, like the video if you like it, leave us a comment, tell me what you think. Was it a waste of time? Should I just buy a Wrangler? Should I sell it and just not even do YouTube? Just kidding, no. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.